Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to stop Spotify from playing automatically in your car. Well, it is a very simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your Spotify app on your phone. So after opening the Spotify, now you have to go to your profile, for which you have to tap on your profile picture that is on the top left corner right here. And after tapping on it, here you can see the option of settings and privacy. Tap on it, and this will take you to the settings of your account, from which tap on playback. So after tapping on playback, here you can see the option of autoplay similar content. You have to simply tap on this toggle button and disable this autoplay similar content just like this, and you are now good to go. Now hopefully this will prevent music to play automatically in car. So this option does not really work with every car or every Bluetooth device that you connect with. So if it does not work in your car or your Bluetooth device, the thing that you can do is add Face ID on your Spotify, for which you have to long press on your app just like this. And there you can see the option of require Face ID. Tap on it. And here you can see the option of require Face ID. Again, tap on it. And then you can see your Face ID has been logged in. And whenever you try to open Spotify, your Face ID will be required and it won't automatically connect to your car and start playing music. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.